I bought something else at Harbor Freight, and it was on, what was that, clearance? And this is what I bought. It was on clearance. See, so Harbor Freight General Pneumatic Air Needle Scaler. Well, it's funny because this one's the like standard model, and they got the Chief professional one. They discontinued this one, so you can buy the cheap version. I don't know, it's like, I don't know how much it is. This was like $46, I think, on liquidation regular. But here's the kicker. Before I open this, they have a new version of this, which is the high-end model. They discontinued the low-end model and scammed you into turning this low-end model, the bigger one, because there's a small one with I think 14 hardened steel needles, and it's got 19. And so they took this one off there and put it in a nice little box, called it Chief, and made it the high-end model. So talk about scammers. So anyway, this is the needle scaler. Comes in a fancy when I first went there, I got it. I managed to get what happened is one of these needles here, one of these little needles on here was completely bent. So before I even got out of the parking lot, I had to return the product. Haven't tried it yet. Haven't plugged it in. Just everybody needs a needle. What am I using it for? I'm using it for a tractor. Got some big heavy iron pieces to put in here, so I'm going to use it for that. 3 settings, just that's it. I'm gonna go down. Worked yesterday. There we go. There we go. Ta-da! Ta-da! I gotta put a end piece on it. It's made pretty good. I mean, hey, for what I'm not gonna buy a $1,000 needle scaler just to use once on a tractor. So yeah, comes with a manual. Doesn't say much in the manual. Comes in a cheap cardboard box, and pretty much that's what you get. I do have a use for it, not just me buying junk. Of course, I always buy lots of junk, but the only thing I don't know is after you buy it, where the hell do you buy these things? There's no explanation where to get them, but I suppose they're available somewhere. But talk about a scam. I will do a full usage review on it, and probably a video of me actually using this. But I think to take the cheaper version offline, liquidate it, put a nice new box, and give it a fancy, maybe it's probably got rubber grips on, the only difference, and then call it the cheap version because, ooh, it's high end. Yeah, that sounds bullshit to me. Sounds like they're just trying to make everything sound good. So anyway, like, subscribe, and join the cult of Ganawagi Utah's Garage and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.